Good morning, class 10th. So today we start the exercise 4.1, question number second, first part. So the first question is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. So area is given 528 meter square and the length of the plot is 1 more than twice the breadth. Means it is given the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So length of the plot is means equals to 1 more than means plus twice the breadth. This is the given. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot also. Okay, and form the quadratic equation. So what is the formula of area? Area formula is what? Length into breadth. So area is given in the question 528. Length is the given 1 plus 2b and the breadth value we have to put as it is. Now 528. Now 1 into b. 1 into b is b plus 2b into b is 2b square. So finally the equation is 2b square plus b minus 528 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation only we have to form. So this is the general quadratic equation of the given question, and how we have to solve this we will learn afterwards. Now second part. The second part is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. The product of two consecutive positive integers. Consecutive integers I will take. Consecutive integers are I will take as x, and the next one will be x plus 1. Means the next one, suppose this is the 2, the next will be 3. If this will be 4, next will be 5. So these are the consecutive numbers. So the positive integers, the product is given is 306. Means the multiply is given. X multiply x plus 1 is given 306. So x into x will be x square, and x plus x into 1 it will be x equals to 306, and it will shift here. So minus 306 equals to 0. This is the given in the question, and this is the final equation, and we have to solve it. Afterwards we will solve this one that we will learn in the second exercise. Now third part is Rohan mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan mother age is given. Rohan mother means the Rohan age we have to take as that. So I will take Rohan age will be x here. So her mother is 26 older than him, means more age is there. 26 plus x. This is the age of given Rohan mother. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360, means after 3 years. So after 3 years what is the ages? After 3 years the ages will be Rohan mother age is 26 plus x plus 3. So it will be what? 29 plus x here, and Rohan age will be what? X plus 3. And their product is given. Product is given how much? 360. So 29 plus x, x plus 3 equals to 360. So 29 into x, 29x, 29 into 3 we have to do. It will be 9 3 is 27, 2, 3 2 is 6, 7 8, 87. Plus x into x, x square, and it will be 3x equals to 360. So finally x square, 29 plus 3, 30, 31, 32, 32x plus 87, and it will be minus 360 is equals to 0. Solve it, do this subtraction, and final equation you will get. And after that a last question is there, fourth one. Fourth is a train travel a distance of 480 km in a uniform speed. Fourth question is a train travel a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed, means distance is given. Distance is 480 km. If the speed had been 8 km less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Need to find the speed of the train. So speed of the train I have to find, so I will take speed of train. I will take as x kilometer per hour. So what is the basically formula of distance? Distance is equals to what? Speed into time. So it is given that 480 and speed is given x and time we don't know. So I will take distance 1, speed 1, time 1. So 480 upon x equals to t1. 480 upon x equals to t1. This is the first time. And he said if the speed had been 8 km less, if the speed will be reduced, then it would have taken 3 hours more. Means same case is there. Distance 2, speed 2 and time 2. Distance is same only 480, but speed has reduced by 8. So x minus 8 and time is same only. So 480 upon x minus 8 and t2. Now these are the time t1 and t2. Now it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance to find the speed of the train. It have taken 3 hours more. So solve it by our own. How we have to solve? 3 hours more time is there. So now it is given that the total time is what? 3 hours. So basically T1 plus T2 is given 3 hours. Time 1 is 480 upon x. Time 2 is 480 upon x minus 8 equals to 3. Now what is the common? 480 is common. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 8 equals to 3. Now note it down. Now I have to take the LCM also. We have to take the LCM. LCM is what? X and x minus 8 means multiplied the down one. So x minus 8 and cross multiplied. This multiplied to this and x multiplied to this. Then 480 is as it is equals to 3. Now x and x will be what? Sorry, it's not cancelled. X and x will be what? Both are positive only. It would have minus 3 hours more set minus. So it will be minus. Now it will be cancelled. X and x will be what? Cancel. Now 480 into 8 we have to do. Afterwards we will do 480 into 8 and x multiplied to x, it will be what? X square and x multiplied to this 8x equals to 3. Now this we can cut. 3 ones are 160. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15 and 3 sixes are 18. 160 we get, and 160 into 8 we have to do that. 0 into 8 it will be 0, 8 sixes are 48 and 8 ones are 1280 equals to, this will be multiplied there, x square minus 8x. So final equation we get x square minus 8x and it will be shift there plus 1280 equals to 0, and this is your answer. Only the main thing is noted that t1 minus t3 is there, not t plus, because he said how much more time is there. More means we have to write here minus t1 minus t2. So this is your final question, and in the next class we start the second exercise 4.2 and we learn how to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, thank you class.